Murphy's Uncle Ray had him cracking up on the Dick Cavett show.
Yeah. I went from $1,500 to $40 a week. Now I'm back with this guy and ain't getting no money again. I don't even have no name no more. I used to be Ray Murphy, now I'm Eddie Murphy's uncle. Yeah, well, you know, he makes a couple of dollars more than I do.
But he's nice to you still, isn't he? I mean, treats you as an equal.
He don't beat me or anything like that. I don't know about equal. Sometimes I ride in a limo, sometimes I run behind the limo.
Kathy Griffin and Craig Ferguson took friendly flirting to a whole new level.
What have I been coming on this show? 7 years?
Oh, 9, I think.
Acting all nice and sweet the whole time, plotting.
No, that's not true. You have not acted nice and sweet the whole time.
Sometimes I've actually made you spank me. I know I've done that. Okay.
No, that was awesome.
We'll try one more.
All right, then. We'll get some traction in.
Sure. It's almost as if I never learned my lesson.
Jim Henson as Kermit the Frog made a very witty joke that also sounded wrong.
How's your love life?
What? Listen, I work on Sesame Street. You don't ask a frog questions like that. You wouldn't ask Captain Kangaroo how's his sex life?
No, I wouldn't.
Can you imagine that?
You're absolutely right. That was wrong. That was wrong of me. I shouldn't have done that. Is your health all right?
That's okay.
You're feeling well, then?
It's got a bad throat, you know.
What do you take for it?
I've got a person in my throat. It's a frog joke.
That's a frog joke, yes.
Real big with all the frogs out there.
I'll bet it is.
Yes. Oh, yeah, sure.
Fran Drescha doesn't care about how much money a guy has, as long as he has something else.
Do you look for guys that are financially sound, that have some money in the bank so that doesn't, you know what I mean? You don't feel like they're going to take advantage of you or anything?
I always prided myself on the fact that I never really judged a man by the size of his wallet. Much more important for me, the size of his...
Really, I've been told countless times that really doesn't matter.
Joan Rivers took a mean shot at Gwyneth Paltrow while on the Wendy Williams show.
Where do you draw the line? I don't know anymore.
Me neither. All right, let's draw the line at Gwyneth Paltrow.
Oh, don't start. Don't start. She suddenly doesn't like me. Look who doesn't like me. I'm a vegan. I won't eat anything with eyes. That's why your husband left you. I mean, it's like...
Back in 2022, Tom Brady's wife divorced him after falling in love with her jiu-jitsu instructor, and Nikki Glaser roasted him for it.
Tom, the only thing dumber than you saying yes to this roast was when you said, hey, babe, you should try jiu-jitsu. I think that's gotta suck. Just knowing your ex-wife's new boyfriend can beat your ass while eating hers. That's gotta be terrible.
Michael Rappaport and Kenya Moore had a roast session on live TV.
You have to know. Look at me. And I introduced myself to you, and I told you that I judge you from the show. But do you know that you are a villain, right? You have to know this, correct? You've gotten better.
Well,
but you are a villain.
Michael, I don't need you to tell me what I am or am not.
On the show.
I appreciate you being a fan, though. Thank you for watching. Keep the cable on.
But... You wish you were me, Kenya.
A middle-aged, fat, white guy.
I did want to be a zoologist. That was what I thought that I was going to be my entire life. I wanted to study the behavior.
I could teach you all sorts of things.
I've learned a lot from you already. As an actor, that's what I do. I study human behavior.
And lots of discoveries?
Yes, lots of
big
discoveries.
Surprises?
Big surprises. But I find so many more surprises when I watch your show, yes.
You should see the outtakes.
I would love to. Maybe we can arrange a viewing.
Yes, anytime.
Richard Pryor and Chevy Chase traded roasts at each other when they were on the Johnny Carson show.
May I say that I have seen Richard's special?
No, you may not say that.
Okay. I'm very sorry.
That's good.
In fact, though, that I have seen it, and it's hilarious. It's not quite as funny as mine, but it's really great.
I'm going back Friday to see my son in a talent show and spend Mother's Day with my grandmother.
Is he talented?
My son? No, he has no talent whatsoever. But you have to go and watch him and encourage him. He's a wonderful son.
What is he doing in the show?
He yodels and throws. Huh? What was it you said?
I didn't say nothing, man.
Oh.
Nothing. I just say nothing.
You had... I was going to ask you, why didn't you tell Johnny you was going to take over his show?
Oh.
Now, babe,